𝚂𝚐𝚘𝚘. 𝚂𝚘𝚘.
This is QB on the G1K, just taking a small neighborhood ride onto some back roads because I live in the country. So a ride like this will be fun as I ride my 2006 GoPro 1000 with a 300 size back tire. You're probably saying, what fun is that? It's fun to me. It's still a motorcycle. This is how I prefer my motorcycles to be custom. I like the big ass tires. Big tires, slow turns. Difference. Big tires, slow turns. A simple turn at that light, I gotta take real slow. I'm gonna be on my ass. I'm gonna be on my ass. I don't know about other big tire riders. I know where I'm gonna be. And I don't like being on my ass, even if it's just the smallest fault. Actually, I'm really just out here testing this new helmet. Everybody knows about the GoPro 7 issues, and my issue with the GoPro 7 is that the audio does sometimes not want to record. It's probably recording right now because it's showing out. But it probably won't be recording the next time I try to record something. So just to eliminate all that problems, I went on and ordered a Tascam DR50, not the X, just the 50. I just needed to record some audio, some raw audio. Right now you're hearing the audio from the GoPro Adapter. Like I said, the GoPro sometimes doesn't record the audio. I don't know what that's about. I got tired of trying to figure out what it's about. And instead of buying a new GoPro, which I'm not going to do, I just bought a $50 old Tascam voice recorder. way I decide to go. Do I go left? Do I go right? Go left. 𝚂𝚘𝚘𝚘 Shelby State Park. As a matter of fact, this is the road I crashed my 2006. When that crashed, I just went into the grass, fell over. My 2006 orange with the black stripes CBR 600RR. On this very road, the person behind me said I was in the turn good. He don't know what happened. Next thing you know, I was in the grass. That happened over 10 years ago. Have I been riding for 10 years? No. Recently just purchased this motorcycle back in 2019. All of 2020 the bike was down, and now it's not, and so I'm finna put tons of miles on this thing. This is the very turn I crashed my ass off. Not looking where I'm turning, just like I'm doing now. Not looking where I'm turning. Back roads be so beautiful, so relaxing, so peaceful. I'm really surprised all these cars are coming down this road at this time of day. Because you have a bike does not mean I have to ride the highway splitting cars and speeding all the time. This is just as fun. Very relaxing. I do have a hoodie on. No gloves, that's just my personal preference. Probably when I change these handlebars out, I'll start wearing gloves, because I feel with these handlebars that are for show, I can't never get a good grip on these handlebars with my gloves on, which tends to make me grip it even harder. But I got some in the Amazon cart. When I get home, I'm just going to go ahead and pull the trigger on everything that I have in the Amazon cart. Get that sent to me. I noticed it'd be my left turns I have problems with. I can't find a fixed point, but with my right turns I'll be good. I'm gonna get it together. My eyes be wanting to look everywhere but where they need to be. But like I said, this is no race for me. I'm just enjoying the scenery. So I'm gonna ride my ride and take it easy on these turns. Before I be in somebody's yard hurt. They don't want me in their beautiful yards hurt. Shelby Farms had the pool open. I don't know if it's open anymore or something about a cracking. Well, Memphis don't like to never pay for nothing. Yep. Oh, wow. They tore the pool down altogether.